guys, welcome back. It's Tamra. It's Saturday. That means we have a bonus video this weekend. We are opening the new and the always sold out POPMART Crying Again blind boxes. They're little like purse charm badge things. I've wanted them since they came out. I finally got them. I got them. So I got 6. We're going to open them. I have no idea what they are, and I'm so excited. So, welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you're not. If all of that sounds good to you, then you should probably grab a drink, grab a snack, get comfy, because we're gonna look at some really cool shit. Hey guys, how is your weekend going so far? Good, I hope. It is currently Friday for me, so my weekend hasn't even started yet, but I hope yours is going amazing. I figured I would open these babies with you because, duh, I'm going to show them to you anyway. I have to show you guys everything. So I figured I'd open them with you and we'll see what's in here. I got 6. They are so cute. So they came out like, I want to say 3 weeks to a month ago. It was when they released that Labubu that I was trying to get, that my finger was literally on the trigger. I had also these in my cart with that. And once I hit the checkout button right at 7 o'clock and it said the Labubu was sold out, I was like, F this, I'm not buying anything. Fuck you guys, you know? Well, I had major regrets because I was thinking I'll just go down to Seattle and get them at the store. Oh no. Sold out everywhere. Sold out in store, sold out online ever since. Well, my girl Holly messaged me last week and was like, yo, they're on the TikTok shop. Hurry up and go get them. So I ran over there and I got 6. And they arrived already. When you order from POPMART, their website, it takes forever. 25 years. Literally. So long. So when you order from POPMART on TikTok, a week. I don't even think it took a week. It was quick. Maybe like exactly a week. It was very fast. And I got these from POPMART on TikTok. So, just a little tip there. So, like I said, we have 6. We're going to pick random boxes and just start opening. I am so excited. You know me, I love a good purse charm. We're still going to have a video where we decorate at least one bag. I want to pierce it. I want to put charms all over it. Like, I have major plans. And I'm going to do it with you guys. So, these might make an appearance again. But, okay, so first off, I see that we have a little Halloween, which Halloween's over, guys. But I think they're tattoos. So, that's cute. Little Halloween tattoos. Let me open them and see what they are. They look like tattoos. For sure. Oh, they're all different. Oh my god, I can have a Labubu tattoo. You guys come back in the next video and he's on my face. Okay. Yeah, they're all Halloween ones, but there's a little Labubu. I think there's like 2 of each. Well, that's cute. I'll just put them like right here. So, like my Labubu tat. It's kind of random, but okay, let's open up. Ready? This one. All right, so these are the options that you can get. All of these. The number one I want is this black, the black one with the bow. She's Alice. That's literally what her name is. She's Alice. I want that one first. So that is what we are aiming for. And then second, I want the robber. He looks, little jailbird, you know? So cute, so cute. So those are my like 2 that I really, really want. Also, like the little pink bunny is fucking cute. And the little bear, they're all cute, but you know me, I want the black bow. All right, guys, is it gonna rip all the way? Oh, impressive. We're not used to that. All right. I don't want to look at the card. I'm sure there's a card in here. All right, you guys know the drill. You see it first. Am I going to be happy? Is it one of the ghosts? Oh! Which one is this? Is this the little robber? What is this one? What is it? Which one is this? Is it? I think it is. I think it is. I didn't know she had pink hair. Is there different ones? Am I nuts? That's the only one it could be. I don't really know what that is, to be honest. So, right? It looks like the robber. Okay, look at her face, but the robber on here has black hair. See? That is what it is. It's just a different colorway. Oh my god, I wonder, did I get the secret? That's just hitting me. I bet I got the secret. Because it's not on here. You guys, I think I did. Oh my gosh, I have to look it, I'm gonna look it up really quick. BRB. You guys, we got the secret. It's 1 in every 44. I've never gotten a secret one and I never thought I was ever gonna get one. Look it, right? Sorry, my lights, but she's right here. She's 1 out of every 44, 1 out of 144. Secret edition number 1 is what I got first try. Oh, I hope you guys can see it. Right there. Ah! How cool is that? I was so confused because I'm like, I totally forgot that there was secret ones. That is literally... I love her. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Woo! I need to go buy lottery tickets. We need to go to the casino or something. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, doing good so far. Let's open number 2. Ready? And these ones rip nicely. The Crybaby keychains, and not so much. Oh, I forgot to look at the little card. Yeah, I got like a special card and everything. The red robber. Oh, how cool. Oh my gosh. There's like a little acrylic robber with her little... Oh, this is so cool. I cannot believe I got that, you guys. I guess you just put them together. I don't really know. Wasn't expecting that. I completely like put that out of my head. I forgot that there were secret ones. Okay, ready? I'm feeling lucky now. I'm feeling lucky. All right, guys. You see first. Oh. Green, the little froggy. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. Adorable. Adorable. Where did I put... Yeah, see, the regular ones just have little stickers. They're not cards. They're little stickers. So the special one had like a whole thing. I cannot believe that. I cannot wait to tell my girl Holly that told me to order these. Oh my god. Told me about them. They're on there. I cannot. I cannot. All right, number 3. So satisfying that they rip perfectly. All right, I don't want to see the stickers. All right, guys. Feels different for sure. Yep. Okay. Oh, you guys, is it what I wanted? Is it what I wanted? Tell me. Tell me. What is happening? What is happening? Oh, I just made myself so dizzy. Oh my, this is the one that I wanted so much. Okay, we're having a good night. Look at the black bow and the little Alice. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe that we got both of the ones that I wanted, but we got the special one of that. This is crazy. This is insane. TikTok shop. Look at you go. All right. Cute little stickers. Oh my Lord. You guys. By the way, God, my hair is all tangled. I need to wash it. I feel bad that I only did one nail video this week because Friday was supposed to be like my studio thing, like decorating for Christmas. You know how that went. Unless you weren't here on Friday's video, because hardly any of you were, to be honest. I don't know where you were, but there was a video up yesterday morning, skincare related. We all have skin, and it's all amazing stuff, so go watch it. My skincare videos always tank. Like, you guys could give two shits. But I'm going to keep pushing it down your throat because I love it. I love it. You're going to get a rare occasional skincare video. So that's up, in case you didn't know. I always post Wednesdays and Fridays, guys. We know this. Sometimes Saturdays, if you're lucky. All right. Number 4. Yeah, 4. Boop. I can't believe this. We're having a great time. So my reason for saying that was like, I was going to do the skincare video as a bonus video for Saturday this weekend, but I had to do that yesterday because the whole video I filmed all day yesterday and the night before in the garbage because it was in slow motion with no sound. That was great. So my tree's up. We decorated. We went to Home Goods TJ Maxx. And you guys will never know because it's gone. Yeah. So I figured I would do this with you guys instead because these showed up today. So I was like, I'll do a Saturday video because why not? All right. Oh, it feels like it could be the same thing. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, cute. I liked this one too. The little cloud. Oh my gosh. So cute. Is it upside down? Yeah. Oh, I love them. Oh my. You guys, it's been a good time. Where did I put that box? I love POPMART. I love POPMART. Like, obviously we have the whole Crybaby collection back here. The Powerpuff Girl Crybaby collection. I have the whole thing. Love them. But my favorites are the bag charms. Like the keychain bag charm things. And that's what these are, like pins that you can like. Oh, I didn't show you guys. They have pins on the back. So you can pin them like onto your bag or wherever you want to pin them. But yeah, they all have little like clips on the back. So that's what these are for. I'm going to pin them like on my bag. I can't wait. Okay, we're down to the last two. Which one should I do? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? This one. Number 1. Okay. Number 5. All right. I think it feels different. It feels small. You guys see it? Oh! So cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. She's all blue Which one is this? This is Starboy. I haven't been telling you guys. The last one with the cloud and the rainbow girl was Love is Love. I'll let you guys know the rest really quick. How freaking cute. Love it. Love is Love. The black bow is She's Alice. We did that one. And then the green frog is What a Frog. All right, guys, we're on the last one. Last one. There's the stickers for her. Okay, last one. What's it gonna be? I am hoping either, oh, Baby Brown is really cute too. The smiley face, the yellow smiley face with the little girl. Or I'll Give You All My Love, the pink bunny. Love that one. And Love Makes Us Cry or Heartless Girl. Those are any of those and I'd be super stoked. Those other two right there. Okay, I hope it's one of those. I can't believe we're already done with these. I wish I would have just got the full set, but it's not as exciting. Like, it's cool getting the full set, but it's more fun not knowing what you're gonna get. Like, when you get a full set, you know you're getting every single one, unless you get a special one, then the special one replaces one of the other ones, and then you have to try to get that one. But you, like, know what you're getting, you know? So this is more fun to me, like, not knowing. Okay. It feels large, feels different. All right, guys, I have high hopes. It's been a good time. Can you see? Can you see? Ah, not one of the ones I was hoping, but she is cute. She is a ducky. Look at her in her little raincoat. Ah, adorable, adorable. I'm gonna buy more, honestly. If they're still in stock, I think I'm gonna buy more. Because they're so cute and I really want to try to get the other ones. Okay, well, obviously my favorite one is the special one, but also this one. Like, this one is so soft. It is so soft. And it's a black bow. Like, obviously you knew I was gonna love this. What if... No, that won't work. Just pierce my nose. Oh my gosh, I die. So cute. I can't believe I got the special one. I cannot believe that. Like, the #1 special, well, I don't know if they're like 1, 2, 3. I think they're all the same. They're all 1 out of every 144. Oh wait, no, there's different ones. Yeah, there's 2 that are 1 out of 140, 1 out of 144, and then there's 1 super secret one that's the crown. That's the one I'm always going for, is the more bucks. And that one's 1 out of every 288. That would have been crazy, but we got the secret one. Oh, I cannot believe it. So, what do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Go watch my skincare video because it's very good. It's like all new, cool skincare from Korea, like Korean skincare, Olive Young. Go watch it. You have a face. You have skin that you need to take care of. And there's a couple nail things in there. I love them all. And I want to just cover myself in them. They're so cute. All right, guys, I'm gonna go eat. My family is waiting for me. My son is probably texting me right now. I just heard it go off. So I love you guys, and I hope you guys have the best weekend, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. I love ya. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you know when I post. All right, guys, I love you so much, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye, guys.